Ghanaians again, and we are here because there is an attempt on our lives. As we said yesterday, we are here today, and what we are doing today is that we are asking that they put a stop to all Galamsey activities, illegal and legal activities that tends to destroy our water, our land, and our life. Now, earlier yesterday, Ghana Water put out a press that the capacity of water has reduced from 14,000 NTU to about 9,000 NTU. And people were applauding them. That is share politics. And I tell you, that is share politics. Now, even if it is 9,000 NTU, the requirement is for us to have 4 NTU, below 4 NTU. How are they going to treat 9,000 NTU to 4 NTU or below? Look at the number and amount of chemicals, chlorine, that our water is going to have. In addition to the heavy metals like mercury, cyanide, arsenic, lead, and other harmful. Let me tell you, the devastation caused by Galamsey is undeniable. Yes. And the effects are very catastrophic. What we are going to say today is that the Ministry of Land and Natural Resources put a ban to all legal and illegal activities that are destroying our lands immediately with no exceptions. With no exceptions. We are giving them 7 days. Now listen, no delay, no meetings, no promises. We are not interested in your English. We are not interested in your grammar. Do not use grammar. Do not use grammar to cover the wrongs in the system. Do not use grammar to cover our problems. Now, yesterday we met the president had a meeting with organized labor and asking that they give him more time. More time. Listen, in 2 months, for 7 years, you are asking for more time. Listen, organized labor is not your advisor to ban Galamsey. You know what to do to ban Galamsey. You know what to do to stop the attempt on emergency. The Food and Agriculture Organization says that over 5 million hectares of our land are being destroyed and are very, as we speak, are useless and cannot be used for plant production. 5 million hectares, and that is why we are. Ghana Health Service gave out a release that there are increases in mercury poisoning and the effect of it. And we stand aloof and not concerned. We are calling on all youths, all citizens, CSOs, organizations. So no matter where you are, if you cannot join us on the street because you are not in the country, you can show your solidarity online. If you are at work, look for a black or red attire and wear. We want to see the hashtag, free the citizens now.